114 for 2. Varun Badola, the main batsman in the Mumbai Heroes scorecard, with a fluent 60. The Heroes leading another 54 of 30 balls. Yes, that actually is just about 6 boundaries and a couple of twos, a few twos and singles of the remaining deliveries. If you look at it, it is not really an impossible task. They've got to look at it as trying to get about 6 or 7 boundaries in the next 30 balls, and making sure every other ball is either a single or at least and a few twos thrown in, and they'll canter home with that.
Your maths is right. I'm not sure if it's as easy as it might seem in cricketing terms. But yes, I think, look, the 11 runs per over is not too daunting. But the problem at this stage of the game is when you've got 4 or 5 overs remaining, is you have one bad over as a batting side, and the run rate could mount to 13 or 14. But that's a no ball there. So that's an extra run conceded. Venkatesh, not demonstrative on the field, but I'm sure he's not like that.
Well, I don't think it's a line no ball. That's why the umpire hasn't signaled a free hit. Was it because that they had only 3 fielders in the circle?
I think you're right there, Rohan. I think the field was not set properly. No free hit there, but 2 runs all the same. Aftab Shivdasani. He's had to come and strike big blows straight away. Not always easy to do.
And I think good captaincy by Venkatesh as well. He's got the main bowler Akhil in. He knows a couple of good overs at this stage would take the game away from Mumbai Heroes. Also, he knows that if he gets the key wicket of Aftab, it again puts the Telugu Warriors in the driving seat.
Yeah, I mean, he's got 2 overs. One is by Akhil and the other is by Charan Teja, his 2 mainstays, so to speak. Aftab Shivdasani, I think, has complained about something which is muttering in his ear. What did he signal?
That's a massive shot by Aftab. Picked the slower one really well. Good clean swing of the bat. Obviously hitting the sweet spot. And that's 6 very welcome runs for the Mumbai Heroes.
High back lift, full follow through, and the ball has gone, what, almost 85-90 yards. That's a terrific blow by Aftab Shivdasani. He's almost atoned for all his fielding lapses today. Maybe a couple of blows more, and Sunil Shetty will actually buy him a drink tonight.
Well, I think this shot will give Aftab a lot of confidence. It's not easy to go out and bat when you've not really had a good day in the field. He knows there's a lot of pressure on him. He knows he's the batsman that everyone looks up to in the Mumbai Heroes team. And that shot would definitely give him a lot of confidence. He's clipped it down to deep square leg. Misfield by the Telugu Warriors, and Aftab comes back for an easy 2.
And that's something that the Telugu Warriors cannot afford. Their fielding is getting a little ragged. They're under pressure, obviously. I must say, Rohan, that the Mumbai Heroes' performance this year is far, far improved than the previous year, especially in the batting and the bowling. I think the fielding is one area where they still need to work hard. But, this is a powerful response to a pretty daunting total, 162.
Again, Aftab goes over extra cover, finds the gap beautifully. He seems to be in fine form, Ayaz. This is turning out to be an expensive over for the Telugu Warriors. And just what the doctor ordered for the Mumbai Heroes.
Yeah, and for the best bowler of the Telugu Warriors, that's Akhil, or the best all-rounder they've got. Sohail Khan telling his cheerleaders, please come beyond the boundary, don't step onto the field. Aftab Shibdasani, bit of the long handle he's used, but very effectively.
Well, Aftab is again the kind of batsman who can adapt to the situation. If he needs to drop anchor, he can drop anchor. He knows the situation right now is to play the shots, and unfortunately he perishes over here playing one shot too many. But he's given the Mumbai Heroes a little bit of impetus, a little bit of momentum. It's 129 for 3 after 15.4 overs, as we see how Aftab... You know, Ayaz, this is... I don't know if it's good captaincy or if the fielder was a little slow in going back, but he was neither back there on the line nor really up there saving for the one. It was a very unusual sort of field placement, field positioning, if I may say so.
Yes, and I think it was Charan Teja who doesn't let go of any such opportunities. 129 for 3, 39 to win from 26 deliveries. New man in Apurva Lakhia, but man taking strike now is Raja. He's hit it with the toe of his bat to long on, and a single there.
The Mumbai Heroes sticking with the left-right combination. Apurva Lakhia, the new batsman in. 130 for 3.
He actually bowled quite well last season, Apurva Lakhia. Let's see how well he bats this time. Coming in at a crucial juncture. Won't be denied a single. That's the end of the over. 131 for 3.